Okay, I'm back really quick. So what I decided to do was I decided to do the last four in front of myself because I had it switched around the other way for the camera for you to see. And so I decided to do the rest this way. And so here I go. So here's the one sticking up. I'm going through, under. I'm going to make my loop with my hand. I'm going to pick what size loop I want. This is good enough for me. I'm going to take the head pin wire, bring it up, and I bring it, oops, excuse me. It's not, believe me, it's not difficult. Once you get the hang of it, bring it around. I'm going to make my loop. So I've decided on that loop is good, that size loop is good. I'm going to take my needle nose, hold it, see? Just hold it like that, and then just wrap it around. So remember, this is a 22 gauge. It's very soft. I'm happy. How many wraps did I make? I think I made 3. I'm happy. Oops. I can let go. Then take my flush cutter. Come in. I can hold it if I want, pull it. Don't cut anything else. And there you go. Bring that down. Take a look. See if there's any parts sticking out. If it is, smash it. There you go. And take another one. So you see how it's lying? Go in and under. Again, decide to loop. Come down. That is perfect for me. Hold it, not pull it. You don't have to pull it, hold it gently. Then make your wrap. You hear the little noise, you know I like the little jingle jangle, you know that already. Look at what you've done. If you are satisfied, remember when you are making your wraps, especially when you are using crystal and glass or something of that sort, don't force it. And you don't want to scratch anything, hold it. Clip, there you go. Check to see if there's any pokey or sticky parts. If they are, take your plier, smash it down, make it go around. I have the soft part on the middle part of my pliers so I can push it down so it doesn't scratch my bead or ruin my bead. And like I said, if it starts to go in, if you don't make the ends really tight, I didn't tighten it up hard that way. I didn't want that. Come back. You see this part? There's nothing there. I'm going to go in and make my loop any way I want. Let me hold that for a second. I just wanted to do this in front of you. Come around. This thing is holding up pretty good, as you can see. And take your pliers. And if you want to hold a dainty chain along with the loop, that's fine. Just come around. Look at that. No picking up. Picking up, putting it down, picking up, putting it down, trying to find which link to put on next. I'm happy with that. As you can see, there you go. Very good. You're winning a little. Let's check to see. Make sure there's. I see something, so you can take it. As you can see, you have your glasses on. You have perfect eyes. And you can squish it together. And I can see that is kind of long. So I'm just going to come back in with this. Clip that part. And of course, safety first. Be careful. If you wear goggles, then that's two. You see how this is coming along. You're going to see the whole thing in a few minutes. And I'm just going to go in. You know what? I'm going to go here. And I'm going to go here. Boy, I'm always fooling around with the end. Okay. Easy. Come down. Always fooling around with the end, Christina. Most sensitive part. You know, it's always to the finish when you get there. Something happens. I'm going to be careful. Use my pliers. Hold it. Make my wrap. Now, if you're into extremely neat wraps and you want to use the other pliers, you know, the other pliers to make the wrap, that is fine. But if you're not, and you can live, you know, 4 wraps with one and 3 with the other, then that's okay too. So I'm not going to force it because that already let me know that it's enough. We are almost there. Grab it. Hold on. Oh. Easy. There you go. All right, let's see if there any. There's a pointy part right there. Let's close that. Close that. And look at that, guys. Look at that. So much more easier. You see how everything lays. Now you can open up these. These are called alligator clips because I hear people say roach clips and I'm trying to figure out what in the world. These are alligator clips. And look at that. Let me just move this out of the way. Oh, I love my little toy now. Look at this. Oh, look. Oh, man. How long is this now? Let's see. Let's bring this up to our inches. Make this neat. So we did this. Oh, so this is a 7-inch, 6.5, 7. Right? This is really nice, guys. Look how that came out. Now I'm going to tell you something. When I was doing the green pendants, putting it on after I got off the camera, it only took me 10 minutes to put these on. And then I started doing this. And because it was the twisty loops, it took me a little bit longer. So it took no more than 20-25 minutes to do that little bracelet right there with my new gizmo. Whereas it would have taken me an hour or an hour and a half with the other one. So here are some other ones I did right here. This is what it looks like. And this right here, this is what it looks like. Beautiful, beautiful. Along with the earrings. Look at that. Really quick. No time wasted. I loved it. How everything came out. And later on, I'm going to take these and I'm going to post them onto my Shopify page, and I'm going to take them and put them on my Instagram page. And I think these came out really, really, really nice. Now, as you know, also at the same time, I'm going to have a raffle when I get the first 50 subscriptions. We're going to have a raffle, and somebody's going to win a couple of things. And I appreciate that. But just make sure, too, in subscribing, when you watch the video, you also press the like button, because like I said, the like button should go along with how many subscriptions I have. So I added a few things. So here we have 30 green leaf pendants, the acrylic ones. I've added 18 pieces of the red leaf clover glass crystal. I also added, it's not here though, I added 12 inches of the gold tone dainty chain links. I think that you'll like that too. And I've added 18 pieces of the silver plated quality brass ball head pins. And as you already know, this is 50 millimeters, and this is a 22 gauge wire for the head pin. So I'm really looking forward to giving some of this away to the big winner. So I'm looking forward to 50 subscriptions on my YouTube. I'm looking forward to the likes to go along with how many people subscribe. And as usual, thank you so very much for watching. May you have enjoyed this. Soon, I would like some of you to join me on my Facebook page, and we can share our designs, and then we can do a couple other things. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you for taking time out of your life, as usual, to look at my channel, and be safe out there, please. Goodbye.